Jeff, you're here for it, man. You ready to do this? Let's get it, man. Have a fight. Hey,
in the end, it's our ideals, our values that built America. Values that allowed us to forge a nation made up of immigrants from every corner of the world. Values that drive our citizens every day. Americans meet their responsibilities.
Two. Right here. Right hand hook. Right here. Left hook. Yep. Right here. But I also need to keep that right hand up here the whole time.